Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to talk about DJI's latest drone releases rumored for late 2025. If you're a drone enthusiast, stay tuned. DJI is planning to release two new drones, the DJI Mini 5 and the DJI Neo 2. The DJI Mini 5 is expected to be the successor to the Mini 4 Pro, featuring impressive upgrades like LiDAR sensors and more powerful motors while maintaining a weight under 250 grams. This makes it perfect for hobbyists and professionals looking for a lightweight, yet powerful drone. Next, we have the DJI Neo 2, which will be an update to the recently released Neo model. While details are still scarce, it's anticipated to include significant improvements that will enhance its performance and capabilities. Both drones are rumored to be released simultaneously, which could make a big splash in the market and give consumers more options. Additionally, there are speculations about a new drone called the DJI Flip. This might be DJI's next consumer model, adding even more excitement to their lineup. The introduction of these new models could signal DJI's continued innovation and dedication to providing cutting-edge technology to its customers. Each new release represents a step forward in the evolution of drone technology, offering users more features and better performance than ever before. With the potential for advanced features like LiDAR sensors in the DJI Mini 5 and the anticipated improvements in the DJI Neo 2, these drones are set to raise the bar in the drone industry. The simultaneous release of both models could cater to a wide range of users, from casual hobbyists to professional photographers and videographers. And if the rumors about the DJI Flip are true, we could see yet another exciting addition to DJI's impressive lineup of drones. In summary, DJI has some exciting releases planned with the DJI Mini 5, the DJI Neo 2, and possibly the DJI Flip. These new drones are set to elevate the standards of aerial photography and videography. We'd love to hear your thoughts about these new drones and which features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.